It's Better Kansas City, and it is a way to unleash creativity for children and adults, and it helps us set goals. Sumya Anani from Learning to Fly is here to show us about vision boards. So first off, basic question, what is a vision board?
A vision board is a presentation that you make of pictures, affirmations, things that you want to embody either in your inner lifestyle, you want to be more patient, more calm, or a goal you want to achieve. You've cut out pictures that are going to be constant reminders for you of what you're trying to achieve. It kind of reminds me of the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Begin with the end in mind.
Okay.
So this is the end. What do I want to accomplish?
So we're taking our thoughts, things that we're maybe thinking about, our goals during the day. We're going to go ahead and put that down in front of us so it's something we can look at and focus on every day.
And every time you see it, it's a reminder. Oh, I want to lose weight. I want to get to the gym. Oh, I'm trying to cultivate more healthy relationships. I need to call my friends.
Gotcha. So if I want that Chris Pratt bod from Avengers, I should put the Chris Pratt poster right there on the door as I walk out every day.
Like, that's your vision.
Chris Pratt, I'm coming after your abs. Look out. So, all right. Well, you've got a number of examples with you. I know we've already showed some on TV here. So let's kind of like walk through some of these that you brought with you and kind of explain what's behind these.
Yeah, this was made by a student with crayon and her hairdryer.
I love it. I love the way that it melts the colors in between them, and each color represents its own
chakra. These are the chakra vision boards that I assigned for my students at Johnson County Community College.
Oh, wonderful.
So we made chakra vision boards. This was one inspired by Kim from a trip to the Redwoods.
Oh, wow.
So she loves nature.
I love it.
This one, just beautiful. These were paint on the back, and then she cut out pictures on the front. Monica, beautiful, put a picture and then put affirmations on a big foam board, like a big poster board. This was a child's vision board at my studio. We do these with our kids at camps every summer.
So even like how old was the kid that did this?
The kid was about 7 years old for this.
So even she has the idea. She wants to be an athlete, or she wants to run. She wants to have some nice peaceful thoughts or something, or
great activity
togetherness.
For kids.
Yeah, I love it.
Families too, and even the couples. Before you're getting married, what kind of intentions are you creating together?
I love that idea about having family goals. We talk about us as a family as being our team. So what team goals should we have to look forward to? And I think it's a great idea because it's not something that just the parents focus on, but the kids should have goals too with the family. What do you guys want to do as a family moving on down the road?
And then you're supporting each other's goals.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly, and team workers, that's great. This was made by Natasha. She sews, so she was really creative and put her own. This was made by a gentleman who was a cartoonist.
Oh, I love the cartoon. So did he do all the cartoons?
He did the cartoons himself, and he put an affirmation. I am important. I am proud of who I am.
Well, what should I be putting on my vision board, or what should, like if I'm sitting at home watching this, how should I get the ideas of what I should be putting on the vision board that I want to create for myself?
Well, the 7 chakras are a really good alignment. First chakra is health. Second chakra is your emotional health. How do you want to be expressive? Third chakra is what empowers you, what gives you joy. Fourth chakra. Fifth chakra is how you express yourself, how you communicate. Sixth chakra is your vision, your intuition. So it's cultivating here. Rose took these puzzle pieces from her grandkids, and she put them all. Life is like a puzzle. So you can use anything around the house, papers, crayons, markers, foam, she used puzzles.
And I really like the design on this one down here on the floor. I know we're running out of time here, but if we could show that one real quick. That one's really, I'm going to pick it up here.
Lou made this one.
That's really neat.
It's just a box, and he put the chakras around in a 3D. And this one is cool, the one behind you, this gentleman loved cars. He said, okay, this is like the road, this is all the roads you take, all the choices you make, and every choice you make takes you to a different place.
All right.
And so he was going in that direction. This is another one, Road of Life. Roseanne made that one.
Beautiful. Well, Sumya, I appreciate the idea behind the vision board. I think it's a great way to put those goals in front of us and it keep us focused on them as we go through life, so to speak. So thank you very much for your time.